Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Can I have a table for one?
Of course. This way, please.
Thank you.
Here is the menu. Do you want something to drink first?
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
Sure. Here is your water.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order your food?
Not yet. I need a few minutes.
No problem. Take your time.
Okay, I am ready now.
Great. What would you like to eat?
I want a chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like fries with it?
Yes, please.
Anything to drink with your meal?
I will have a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Okay, I will bring your order soon.
Thank you.
Here is your chicken sandwich and fries.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
It tastes very good.
I am glad you like it.
Can I have some ketchup, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Do you want some dessert after your meal?
Yes, maybe a piece of chocolate cake.
Very good choice. I will bring it after your meal.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Excuse me, can I pay the bill now?
Yes, of course. Here is your bill.
Thank you. I will pay by card.
That's fine. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Have a nice evening.
Listen and repeat.
Hello, good evening. Thank you. Can I have a table for one? Thank you. Yes, I would like a glass of water, please. Thank you. Not yet. I need a few minutes. Okay, I am ready now. I want a chicken sandwich, please. Yes, please. I will have a cup of coffee, please. Hot, please. No, that's all for now. Thank you. Thank you. It looks delicious. Mmm, it tastes very good. Can I have some ketchup, please? Thank you. Yes, maybe a piece of chocolate cake. Thank you very much. Excuse me, can I pay the bill now? Thank you. I will pay by card. Thank you. Goodbye.